She got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky.
So which artist do you think definitely sort of 30s so far?
I would say AC/DC because their music stayed the same throughout the whole era, whereas Madonna and Oasis, whilst they were good and they came from that time, their music changed a lot. So that's why I say AC/DC best represents the era in the golden age of rock and roll.
Do you think that putting music on CDs has revolutionised the music industry?
Absolutely, Chris. See, recording onto vinyls is hard and expensive, whereas these days you can record onto a cheap plastic disc easily just with a computer. Also, CDs take up less physical space, whereas vinyls are just too big to be convenient. But you see music's getting smaller because you see it's first vinyls, then CDs, and now little bits of data stored on the internet. But that's modern life, I guess. Gotta get smart cars.
Did the Cold War have any effect on the music industry in Manchester?
I'm not sure, Chris. But I know a lot of American artists sing about the Cold War, whereas British artists tend not to. They tend to sing about booze, drugs, and sex, to be honest.